welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, back out on the farm, working on this Holden Rodeo. We're going to be swapping out the fan speed resistor underneath the dash, the little resistor that controls the fan speed. If that stuff's out, then you'll have dramas. You turn your air conditioning on and it only goes flat out or it only goes speed 1. Whichever one it is, guys, that's the usual drama you're going to face when one of these packs up. Guys, we have them available on Parts Factory's website. They are $63.30 and free express post anywhere in Australia. So if you need it, get it in your hand, then come back to this video, do the job yourself and save yourself some money. And once you finish, give the video a thumbs up just to show you can appreciate the work. Alrighty guys, let's jump into it. Alright, hopefully your Rodeo is a bit cleaner than mine, because I got to get in underneath this stash. First things first, let's get the seat back, and then I'm going to clear all this stuff. But basically, where we're headed, right down the very back, of course, see the red brown plug? That's the resistor we're going to pull out. So let me just clean up this area and I'll show you how to get it. Alrighty guys, so once you've got a rag down, just so you can get in a bit easier, you should be able to, just have my flash on. So you see this carpet, it's kind of in our way. So what you can do is you can pull it down like that. And then once you're in there a bit better, you just grab that brown plug, pull down on it like so. Now the Phillips head at the front, I can imagine that's going to be easy. So first things first, let's get that front Phillips head out. So I'm going to pull that, see that Phillips head with the green? I'm going to unscrew that. Hopefully only one screw holding this in, because if there is, then this job is easy. But usually I have two. Yeah, so I think that there's a second up in the corner. So what I'm going to do is hopefully we can just come in. See, usually they hopefully wouldn't have tightened them too much. Yeah, no, it's going to come out, guys. So just behind the resistor, you've got a second screw. And the good news is, if you've managed to get that one, that is actually just about job complete. Now, be careful not to lose that screw, because it is important you put both screws back in. So mine's fallen down the back over here, but I've got it. Yeah, so you got your two screws. So you got your two screws, and you got your original fan speed resistor. This is where you grab your Parts Factory one. Hopefully you've already ordered it. It's already in your hand. And rip it out like so. And have a look here. This is what I'm talking about, guys. We've got the OEM replica from Parts Factory. They are exactly the same. They're non-genuine, but they come with a 3-year warranty. So if you need it, buy it, throw it back in, and then hopefully when you go to change your air conditioning speed, you have functioning air conditioning speed. If not, 3-year warranty anyway, guys. So there's zero risk buying. Alrighty, let's throw it back in. So it's the same procedure in reverse, as you can already imagine. Just make sure you've got it around the right orientation, which is bolt screw to the left here. You can pop it up in there. Hopefully you can get it to kind of stay, but you've got two hands, so let me just put one screw in. So what you can do is chuck the Phillips head or the screw on the screwdriver and then put it up. Kind of you're doing two birds with one stone. And once you've got that kind of hanging in, obviously the first one's the easier one, as we discussed, and you got your second one up the back, so I'll talk to you once I got that in. Alrighty guys, so once you've got that, obviously as you can see, it's plugged back in. Should go in nicely. It's a bit of a complex plug for what it is, isn't it? Make sure you hear an audible click, and then tuck your carpet up and out of the way, and that is how you change a resistor on a Rodeo or RG Colorado. Alrighty guys, I hope everything's gone nice and smoothly working on your RG Colorado or your RA Rodeo. In and out in under 5 minutes, which is fantastic if you consider that if you had taken this car to a mechanic or an auto electric, they would have charged you for the labour to diagnose it, labour to fit it, and they would have upsold you on the parts. So think about the amount of money you've just saved just then. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tour video. My name's Lucas, see you next time.